Hi Pisces, how you guys doing? I hope you all are great. I hope you are healthy, happy, fine and enjoying your meals with your families and following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, so guys, this is the reading for the month of April, May and June. This is a monthly overview. This is a timeless reading. So I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? So one second guys. So yeah guys, so yeah, I hope this is resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? I'll be going to do a monthly reading for the month of April, May and June. And if you want to support my channel with the help of donations, the donation link is given in the description box below. And if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details of the reading is also given in the description box below. Okay, so I'll be grateful to you if you book. And kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's check it out what's coming up for you guys in the month of April, May and June. It's just an overview, like how your upcoming months will be, just an overview of it. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, 6 of Cups. Okay, wait. Queen of Swords, High Priestess, 8 of Cups, Queen of Wands, 2 of Pentacles, King of Wands, 6 of Wands, and that. Okay, and in the bottom of the deck is 10 of Pentacles. Okay guys, in the month of April you are thinking of communicating to someone. Communication, you're thinking of a communication and clarification for someone. It might be a love relationship. Okay, because there is 6 of Cups, that means you are thinking of communicating someone, but it is you're not having that kind of guts to communicate in the month of April. Okay, you'll be highly intuitive. A lot of strong intuition level is taking place for you guys in the month of April. Okay, in the month of May you are thinking to walk away from someone, okay, or something. You are thinking to walk away from someone and moving towards your happiness, which is your career life. When it comes to your materialistic things, also you are thinking to balance love connection and your materialistic world as well. You are thinking of moving forward towards a new direction by taking an action in the month of May. Okay, you're walking away from someone or something for sure. Okay, in the month of June is King of Wands. Wow, King of Wands and Queen of Wands are there. So there is a union is taking place for you guys. A divine connection, a divine spiritual connection is taking place for you guys in the month of May and June. Okay, and I think you'll be taking an action in the month of May, but you'll be reaching out to a person in the month of June. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so whatever it is, King and Queen, that means a spiritual reunion is taking place. A spiritual connection will be taking place for you guys, and you are thinking of moving forward towards it. And you are thinking to move away from negative or toxic situations or toxic people around you and moving towards your happiness, which is your 2 of Pentacles. That means Queen of Wands, that means a fiery energy, Leo, Sag or Aries, or else water energy, that means Scorpio, Cancerian or Piscean, and you'll be taking towards it. You'll be taking an action towards it. Okay, and moving forward with a lot of happiness and joyous feeling. Okay, you'll be standing in your own ground in the month of May and June. Okay, let's check it out. What are your common universal message of all this reading which we have done? Okay, let's check it out. What are your common message? Oh wow, wow, 10 of Wands and Knight of Swords. Wow guys, you are moving away from a lot of burdens, headache or lot of confusion, conflict energy. You are moving away from a lot of burdens and you are moving towards a lot of happiness. You are going towards an offer which is making you an which is bringing you happiness in your life, which makes you happy. You are moving towards it, and you are getting away from a lot of burdens in your life. Okay, you are moving away from a lot of conflicted energies, guys, with the help of five of swords. Conflict energy, disputes, fights, negative energies, moving away from toxic people or toxic situations, moving away from lot of burdens, responsibilities, deceptions, and moving towards your happiness, rushing in towards your happiness with the help of two of pentacles. That means moving towards your happiness, which is queen of wands. Okay, so moving towards your love connection. Okay, and moving away from a toxic situation or toxic people, trying to balance and more focus. You'll be more focusing in the upcoming months towards your career life also, like you will be balancing your career life and your love life. Okay, so you will be weighing up things which is better, like you will be giving equal importance to your career life also, as well as your work life. It will be a work life balance situation for you guys. Okay, and you are taking action, which is a very good thing. Okay, let's see. Knight of Pentacles, you'll be moving forward towards an offer. You'll be making an offer to someone which will be very slow. Okay, and you'll be making a decision. A strong decision will be taking place, but now you are no more trapped about anything. You are moving away from toxic situation, toxic people, and negative energy with the help of Devil card, and you'll be shining bright because there is a Leo card. Leo is coming in the energy, so yes, lot of clarification and communication will be taking place. Lot of justice will be taking place for you guys. Wheel of Fortune is taking place for you guys. A lot of abundance are coming into your life because you are manifesting that this particular connection, and a lot of abundance at the same time. The Lovers card, a lot of money is coming towards you, and a spiritual reunion will be taking place for you guys. And a spiritual connection will be taking place for you guys. There will be a 10 of cups. That means a lot of happiness in love relationship, and as well as if it's money, a lot of abundance will be coming into your upcoming months, guys. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you, Pisces, and if it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. And also one more thing, if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details of the reading is given in the description box below. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also one more important thing, guys, if you want to donate, I'll be grateful to you. Kindly make a donation in the link given in the description box below. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.